Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to add a fingerprint on Oppo A74. So let's do it. So to do that, just go to settings and here scroll down and we have password and biometrics. Just press on this feature and here we have add fingerprint. First you need to set a lock screen password. Okay, press continue and I will set a password, let's say 000. Okay, and use it anyway. Let's type again. And press OK, and now just place your finger on the sensor. Move your finger. Cover the sensor area completely. And now enroll fingerprint edges. And now fingerprint has been added. Just press done. And you are recommended to also enroll your face. I will press cancel and now let's taste the fingerprint, how it works. And as I see, it works very well. Let's do it again. And again, it works very well. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.